Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook business page and the images that you'll need. So let's go. Okay, so here we are on my personal Facebook page. What you'll want to do is come up here to the menu. You'll click in there and you'll see Create Page. It's really simple. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and create your page name. So here I'm just going to put my name and my title. And if you want to, you can even throw in your NMLS number. That way, everything just shows up right there in your ad. Because when somebody sees an ad from your page, they're going to see this title with your profile picture. So the next thing is to select your category. And for mortgage loan officers, you're probably going to want to see something like mortgage brokers. So you click that in there. And here you can have 255 characters to create a description for your services, your page, your business, that sort of thing. So go ahead and throw that in there and then hit Create Page. And once you hit Create Page, you're going to be prompted to create your profile image and your cover image. And those dimensions can be found right here in the Facebook help area. To make creating these images easier, what I suggest is go create a free Canva account at canva.com. You can create a free account, and this will be the tool that you can use to create your Facebook images. So when you need to create your cover, you can simply come in here to hit Create Design. Now I've searched for this recently, so it just pops right up, but you type in Facebook cover and boom, there it is. There's a blank canvas for you to use. You've got some templates in here if you want, or you can upload images right here on the upload media. So I've uploaded a bunch of different images, and if you want to use one of those templates, you certainly can, but here's going to be the correct size canvas that you want to use, and then you can just download it here and upload it to Facebook. And when you want to create your Facebook profile, just go ahead and type that in there, and it comes up as Facebook profile frame. Now, you, again, don't have to use these templates that they create for you. You can just go ahead and hit uploads and upload a good headshot or maybe a good image of your logo or something like that. It's a good idea to use a headshot, though. That way people start to get to know you, like you, and trust you. Putting a face with a name is always a good thing. So I suggest, just any kind, you can use a professional headshot like these, or you can certainly just use something a little more candid if you like, something professional, of course, but still, looks good and approachable. So go ahead and create those images, get them downloaded, and upload them into your new business Facebook page. And that is going to help you attract more customers. And of course, if you have any questions about how any of this works, please feel free to reach out.